Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get enable or get advanced features on YouTube, maybe in your iPhone or maybe iPad. So simply, you want to get advanced features on YouTube when you're just handling your content, your YouTube channel, and you want to advanced features for your YouTube channel. So how you can get that? Simply just follow all the settings. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that and also get the features. Simply just going to the settings of the iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just going to the Chrome. I cannot go to the YouTube because I want to switch to desktops. So that's why I'm going to Google Chrome and just search a YouTube. After searching a YouTube, just tap on three dot and scroll down and just find a request desktop site. Just tap on that and just wait for a second. It's loading and it's become my desktop size YouTube. I'm gonna tap on the three lines. Just tap on the three lines and scroll it down. And if you don't find, don't worry. Simply just tap on profile section and just going to the YouTube Studio. And again going to YouTube Studio and it's getting a problem. So I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna delete a YouTube Studio. Again I'm going to YouTube Studio. It's switching to the YouTube Studio app. That's why I want to delete it. I want to make sure on that section of YouTube Studio. So it's turning on of studio.youtube.com on Chrome, and it's same as like on the laptop on same as like on the desktop. As you see that it's showing. So simply just going to the left corner, left last corner. You see that a setting option. Just tap on that and just wait for a second. It's taking time. So it's want to verify that it's so I'm gonna verify that. It's take minimum time, so it's verify with my passkey. It's gonna verify, and as you see that, just going to the channel section and just going to the feature eligibilities, and you see that I have enabled the advanced option of standard features and intermediate features with videos over 50 minutes. If my video is over 50 minutes, I can upload that if its option is enabled. If its option is not enabled, I cannot upload video over 15 minutes, and also I cannot add a custom thumbnail on my videos and also don't do a live streaming. So I want to enable that. Just tap on that. And if you want to enable that, because I already enabled it, you have to verify your phone number. So after you verify your phone number, you get enabled that option. And the last option is that advanced features. It's on up to you that you just have to just do with your face verifications with your credit card and also do with your channel history. You build a channel history for 1 month and uploading video regularly. It's upon on the YouTube views, how much your views get, how much your growth of YouTube, what you're getting a subscriber. It's depend upon that. After 1 month, it's going to eligible. So the first method is that you just verify with your credit card, with your national ID card. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.